Mark here. This is my Elgin Grade 186 pocket watch. This is from 1899, and as you can see, it's got a white enamel dial and the Arabic letters all the way around, secondhand sub dial, and then as you can see, it's marked 5, 10, 15 at the 1, 2, 3, and so on and around there. This is a pendant wind pendant set. This is a 16 size with 15 jewels, and on the back you can see a train. Yeah, so let me open this thing up. Oh, crystal just popped off. What do you know? Always a good thing to have happen. Another good thing is not being able to get the damn back off when I'm trying to. Alright, so there's the inside of the back. And there is the 15 jeweled 16 size movement. You see safety pinion there. And there she is, just ticking away. Let me see any information on this. Like I told you before, I go to the pocket watch database to get my information. Run quantity on this was 1,000. Total production, grade model total production was 6,500. Open face, yep, we saw that. Pendant setting, we saw that. Okay, all right, so I guess that's about as much information as anybody would need to know, unless they have one themselves, collect it, and kind of want this information for themselves. Get this back on there. Trying to do this on the camera is not always the easiest thing. So there it is. That's the grade 186 16 size Elgin. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.